Here we've got the Behringer Q802 USB mixer, and we've got the power cord and the USB cord hooked in already. Next, we're going to plug in our microphone. If you've got an XLR connector, that goes up at the top of channel 1, just like that. If you've got a 1/4 inch connector, that would go to the jack right below it. Either way will work. Next, we're going to hook in our music player. If you've got a dual 1/4 inch connector, that'll go into channel 3-4. If you've just got a single 1/4 inch connector, that can easily go into the jack on channel 2. And either way will work just fine. But for this video, we'll leave the dual cable in. Next thing we're going to do is hook up a feed to send just the music signal out of the effects send out to a speaker in the room. That way you can hear music without sending your voice to that speaker. Turn up the main volume about halfway, turn up the microphone level halfway, and then use the gain knob to fine tune your voice level. Then turn up your music feed, and then the red effects knob determines how much of your music signal goes out to the speaker. So now you've got a mixed voice and music feed going directly via USB cable to a computer. Or if you've got an adapter, you can plug that into an iPhone, iPad, or an Android device.